How to fix zero font balance issue in your Kotak Neo app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix fonts balance zero in your Kotak Neo app. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to check for pending transactions. Make sure that there are no pending transactions that could affect your available balance. You have to check your transaction history for any recent trades or withdrawals. And you have to make sure that your Kotak Neo app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes bugs are fixed in newer updates. You can easily log out and log in again. This will refresh your account information and may resolve display issues. So sometimes it may take a little time for recent transactions to reflect in your balance. You have to wait a few hours and check again. So if you follow this step and still a font's balance zero issue, you have to contact the Kotak's customer support, which would be the best course of action for a more personalized solution. Lastly, you can also reinstall the application and then fix this kind of issue on a device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.